Hi everybody, Miss Ah here, showing you how we're going to explore surface area and volume of three-dimensional figures. So what you want to do first is click the video, which you are doing, awesome. Then you're going to click this interactive link. We are going to be using this for notes, and you will be able to use it during practice. After that, you're gonna follow along with me for a quick note session. Then on the bottom here, you will be able to do some practice and exploring on your own. So first, what I want to show you is let's just talk about the definition of surface area and the definition of volume. So first, the definition of surface area is the total area of the surface of a three-dimensional, excuse me, can't spell here, three-dimensional object. And when we do surface area, we are measuring, it is measuring in square units. So it's measured in square units. Make sure you go ahead and type this on your notes page. Then the definition for volume is how much space an object takes up. And we measure that in cubic units. So square units is in terms of area, cubic units is in terms of volume, or as you guys will know, as a cube, okay? So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to explore the cubes section over here, okay? So go ahead and open it up, and you will see that on the left here, it shows that the width, the depth, the height, so you know what measurements you have. When you click along these different things here, it'll fill the object for you. So it'll fill it individually, you can fill it as rows, or you can fill it as layers. If you click the sides, it'll give you the full three-dimensional shape. If for some reason you want to start over, you click clear, and it'll clear everything out in there. And if you ever make a mistake, you can click undo. Now, the ones that you will really need is this bar here, which is the settings tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the three-dimensional object that we want to first look at. So when you go to your first example, we're going to do that together. It says we need a width of 3, a depth of 3, and a height of 5. So can you please go and do that with me? You're going to click your settings, and then make sure you have a width of 3, a depth of 3, and a height of 5. Pause if you need more time. Okay. Now, once you have that open, we're going to first talk about surface area. What is surface area? So this is called the net. So what the net is, think of a gift wrap or wrapping a gift. It's what goes on the outside of a three-dimensional object. So this is what I would need to wrap my rectangular prism. So first of all, surface area is how many square units it takes to wrap my object. So first, if we look, we know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Then we have 3 times 5, which is 15. This is 9, 15, 15, 15. If we add all of these up together, what we get is our surface area. So if you look here, we have 15, 15, 15, 15, 9, and 9. When we add it all up, we get a surface area of 78. Okay? Now, surface area, if you want to go ahead and type that as your reminder, is an example of the gift wrapping. Cannot spell. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and look at the volume. So what is the volume? So I'm going to go ahead and click this back up here, but I want us to be able to still see what is going on the inside. Okay. The volume is how many cubes fit inside the prism. So let's go ahead and count here. On the bottom layer, how many cubes will fit here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that bottom layer has 9, but I want to go ahead and fill up the entire rectangular prism. So how many layers is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a base layer of 9 on the bottom times 5. So we have our base layer of 9, and so it goes 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which gives me 45. So as a reminder, when we think of volume, we think of number of cubes it fits. Okay, so how many cubes fit into this prism? We have 45 cubes. Okay, so that is what you're going to need to do to be able to figure out what the surface area and the volume are of these different shapes. Please go ahead and use this tool to help you. And then you can go ahead and explore, click around, and then get going on your practice. Make sure if you have any questions, please email your teachers or join into their Zoom sessions. Okay?